As June 2025 approaches, Pi Network finds itself under significant bearish pressure, with the Pi coin price slipping below key support levels. Currently trading near $0.68, the Pi cryptocurrency has lost over 75% of its value since its February high of nearly $3. The token is hovering within a tight range between 0.688 and 0.816, signaling increasing market uncertainty and a lack of bullish conviction. Technical indicators continue to reflect a gloomy outlook. All major moving averages, including the 10, 20, 50, and 100-day EMAs and SMAs, sit above the current Pi Network coin price. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, stands at a neutral 43.6, while MACD and Shandy Momentum Oscillator both highlight negative momentum. Bollinger Bands are narrowing, implying an imminent breakout, but for now, the trend remains decisively bearish. Downside risks intensify. Amid token unlocks and exchange activity, June could be a make-or-break month for the Pi Network market, with 263 million Pi coins scheduled for unlocking. This follows similar events in July and August, which could further dilute the Pi coin value. Rising exchange inflows suggest increased readiness to sell, increasing the likelihood of further declines in Pi crypto value. Pi's price may decline through August unless the core team increases transparency, a key factor limiting investor confidence. Source: Dr. Altcoin via X. According to InvestingCube, a fall below 0.66 could expose Pi to deeper losses, possibly testing 0.62 or even 0.59. Analysts believe that unless Pi Network breaks past the 0.7380 resistance level, the bearish momentum is likely to persist. Dr. Altcoin, a crypto market analyst, warned, without greater transparency from the Pi core team, PiCoin may continue its downward trend through August. He also noted that a recovery might begin afterward, provided there's a shift in sentiment or network developments. Path to recovery: can Pi crypto reclaim $1? Despite short-term headwinds, some analysts still hold a cautiously optimistic view on PiCoin's long-term potential. CoinDCX analysts suggest that if buying volume increases and sentiment improves, Pi crypto price could recover toward the $1 to $1.20 range. With substantial momentum, the Pi Network coin could even test 1.82 by the end of June. Pi Network could rebound for a rally to $1 if the price sustains the 0.63, 0.66 support zone. Source: Conscious Mirk CX5747 on TradingView. The token's performance remains tightly correlated with broader market movements. Earlier in the month, Pi briefly surged 10% as Bitcoin crossed $110,000, showcasing that Pi currency remains responsive to external catalysts. Infrastructure push and ecosystem growth, a long-term play. In a bid to build real-world utility and stabilize Pi cryptocurrency value, the Pi Network has launched a $100 million ventures fund. The initiative aims to support decentralized apps in fintech, gaming, e-commerce, and AI. However, critics argue that the project's growth has been sluggish, and major exchanges like Binance and Bybit have yet to list the Pi token, partly due to concerns about decentralization and ecosystem maturity. Investor sentiment is also impacted by the project's governance structure. The perceived lack of decentralization and limited clarity around mainnet Pi deployment timelines have dampened enthusiasm. These issues have led to persistent caution in the Pi Network trading environment. Key levels to watch as June begins. For bullish traders, reclaiming the 0.7380 resistance could serve as a signal for renewed upside potential. A successful breakout might enable a push towards 0.76 or even the 0.786 Fibonacci level near 0.7586. Conversely, failure to hold above 0.688 may trigger a drop towards 0.60 or lower.